Gịnwa na-ekwu ekwuchike na ịma ihe ji Nnamdi Kanu na court. Nnamdi Kanu Nigeria ji na court ha kemgbe year 2021. Onweghị onye Igbo na-ekwu na ịma ihe ji ya na court. You must be a liar. But the truth, come closer. Let me tell you here what's holding. But one thing I must tell you that okay, my court akpa Nnamdi agara since 2021. Nnamdi Kanu will not come out through the courts. How are you?
No. But for the Igbo people, this is your time to rise up and to speak up and to say enough is enough. Enough is enough.
This so Igbo I say Maryland, Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu na lie. Oga walk. Come closer. Let me tell you what is holding him. Nnamdi Kanu. This man has always been for some time, has always been the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, relentlessly fighting for the liberation of Igbo. Because only Igbo obula, dead or alive, Biafra no matter how you look at it. No matter how go, Biafra no Inobi. But of a truth, Yeji Nnamdi Kanu Potaga from prison. Walk out as a free man Ndi Igbo. Particularly the political class led by the governors, the religious leaders led by their bishops, captains of industries, and of course the complacent youths. The politics ganata. The religious leaders Haga mount or their pulpit or the podium. Take it easy, it will be okay. Kind of our leaders, religious leaders now. No matter the kind of arrow, how committed the religious leader, we pray for them. No matter the arrow, how committed. Truth is that Nnamdi Kanu will not come out unless the disunity now amongst the Igbos. And we not disunity, and we are together take a decision. One now. We have together to take a decision or go walk. The youth, they are too complacent to do anything. Nobody's asking them to go and fight. No. But if you can't fight, if you can't fight, can't you arrange for talks? Can't you arrange for representation? Of course, it looks like the youth, not all the political leaders. Where go catch the youth and where don't go on a bitak or really any other thing. That is the problem. If not, Nnamdi Kanu, I want the Nigeria such because I am OgbuAnuwku. Ndi Igbo leaders OgbuAnuwku. Not to talk of Ohaneze. Now no one Ohaneze. We don't know what's happening with them. If not, the Afenifere and stuff like that, they would have spoken for the release of their song. They would have spoken for the release of a song. But in Igbo, they will refuse to talk. I don't know what's actually happening. So the earlier Igbo speak up, the better for everybody. Nnamdi Kanu will not come out through the courts. Happen here, my lawyers, my judges, my Nnamdi Kanu, the federal government of Nigeria. When those Ndi get released, Ndi Igbo political class, Ndi Igbo religious leaders, Ndi Igbo captains of industry, and the complacent use of Ndi Igbo. Only get released Nnamdi Kanu. And when he got caught out the next 10 years, that young man is not yet out. The political class are wrong. They know what's going on. Let it not be what I'm thinking. And that's what I'm thinking. The political class is thinking seriously that they release young one. The gains in politics will be a thing of the past. That's simply the truth. They release young one. The gains we are having politically will be a thing of the past. Or of course, the political class the religious leader who will be in pulpit now. Of course, don't know Goshi. Before I go, Yalota got Thanksgiving. It's funny. So we all know when Nnamdi Kanu is there. Only two ways about it. Unless the governor sign the National Assembly, House of Assembly, even the government chairman, get them involved. Get the religious leaders involved. Get the captains of industry involved. And our youths. Ogula, this young man happened. Only 2 ways about it. Young man about self-deception. Let the truth prevail.